You know I'm with the mob. Bitch, you criminal smooth. And it ain't nothing new. On the graph of the loop. And I hang with the mob.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is socks in my hair. So this is my hair. I don't know, I'm gonna do like 4 socks or 5. It depends on my hair. But yeah, I'm gonna try to see how my hair comes out. So I have hiccups. So we'll be needing hair ties. Okay, so I got my socks. So you're gonna want your hair not too dry but not too wet. So I think I weighted my hair a little too long. I think I did my hair weighted a little too long, so I'm gonna spray a little bit of water. Just a little bit. Yeah, just a little bit. So my hair is nice and wet. And then you're gonna get your sock. So you're gonna wanna have one side of your hair in a triangle. Cut the yellow section of your hair. And then place the sock. We're gonna do the bottom half. Let's grab a little bit more hair. This is my first time doing it, so you're gonna place it. Maybe I should try with these clips. And then you're gonna twist. Oh, it's getting stuck. So you're gonna twist your hair into it. Twist it, boo. I have short hair, so take this off. And then you're gonna wrap it. Wrap it and wrap it. And then you're gonna place it with the triangle. I may look funny right now, but it's gonna come out cute. Oh, that's a new triangle, so that's tight. I like that. There's that side. Okay, for the side, we're gonna do it out. Now we're gonna do it this way. So this way. I'll fall out. I'm gonna look real cuckoo right now. Okay. Last through. I don't think but yeah. This is my hair. And I'll check back with y'all tomorrow morning and then see how my hair comes out. I look kind of cuckoo right now, but it's okay. We're about cute bomb AF tomorrow. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Okay guys, so I just woke up like this. I had to put this on because it's hitting my face, but yeah. This is how my hair came out. I look a little crazy. But yeah, I just did my makeup. Natural glam. But now we're gonna see how her hair turned out. So, okay, should we try with this one? Oh, cute! You love soft curls hair now. I had to put tools at the end. I don't know if I said it last night, but so it won't come apart. Shake it up. Look at that. Let's look back over here. Okay, they're so cute. I like it. I don't have boobies. Okay, so guys, this is day 2 of me doing soft curls, and I didn't even mention in the beginning that they're gonna be TikTok ones. Sorry, my fan's on because it's really hot in here, but they're TikTok curls. I've been going viral, so I wanted to try it out. So we're gonna put our hair in the middle. Drive NASCARs. I want to have boobies. When I was little, I sang that song. I always dreamed to have big boobies. Now I'm blessed. A little obsession moment of myself. Okay, so this time we're gonna do 4 girls, so 6. So I'm gonna try out 4 girls. So I'm gonna put this one in a triangle. And I got these clippies from Walmart. So now it'll be like easy to hold the sock, unlike last time. So we're gonna brush out the hair. So these are like a little looser, and I did 4, so these are the famous TikTok curls. So I'll see you in the morning, and let's see how these come out. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Okay. So, okay guys, let's see the final result. This one's a little crazy. I don't think that one curled that much, but let's try this one. I mean, it curled. I mean, they are curly. I have thick hair, so like, I don't know which one works for me. Ow. But they curled, so now just gotta. I mean, they're cute. Should I put a little bit of hairspray so they can last? I think so. Let's put hairspray. I mean, they're cute. I like them. So these are the curls. These are cute. I actually like these. My outfit's cute. Look at that. With some blacker jeans and ballerina flats. So, what y'all think? In the comments, what y'all like best? Do y'all like the 4 curls? Here only sees my black hair. Do you like the 4 curls or do y'all like the 6 curls? Let me down below. And I hope y'all have a great Tuesday. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the bell notification to be notified every time I post. And I'm sticking to my grind. Bye!